Good morning, dear students. Let us start with the revision of chapter decimals. Question number 1. Which among the following are like decimals? So we know like decimals are those which have the same number of digits in the decimal part. Decimal part means to the right of the decimal. So now let us check. The number is 3.007, 3.07, 3.7 and 3.77. Here we have 3 digits in the decimal part, 2 digits, 1 digit, 2 digit. So this 3.07 and 3.77, these are the 2 digits which have the same decimal number of digits in the decimal part. So they are like decimals. Second question is, which of the following is in correct order? Firstly, let us identify which is the smallest among all. So as we can see, 5.005, this is the smallest number. After 5.005, 5.05, then we have 5.5 and then 5.555. Let us check which one is in this order only. As you can see in the B part, 5.005, then 5.05, 5.5 and 5.555. So it is in the ascending order like this. So B is the correct option. Question number 3. Compare the following by converting them into decimals. 2 1 by 2, 2.3, 2 and 1 by 4. Now 2 1 by 2. So I can write it like this, 2 plus 1 by 2. Now convert this 1 by 2 also into decimals, multiplying with 5 in the numerator and denominator. So I am getting 2 plus 5 by 10. So 5 tenth means it is 0.5. So 2 plus 0.5 is 2.5. Next number is 2.3, then 2, then 1 by 4. Again convert this 1 by 4 also into decimals, multiply with 25 in the numerator and denominator. So I am getting 25 by 100, which is 0.25. So the four numbers are 2.5, 2.3, 2 and 0.25. So they can be arranged in ascending order like this: 0.25, then 2, then 2.3 and then 2.5. In the original form you will write the answer 1 by 4, 2, 2.3 and 2.2 and a half. Fourth question is, compare these 0.5 and 0.9. Clearly at the tens place this digit is greater than 5, so 0.9 is greater than 0.5. B part, 16.0 and 16 both are same, because after decimal this 0 is not having any value, this will not change the number, so they are equal. C part, 0.4 and 1 by 2. As we have just done, 1 by 2 is actually what? 0.5. So 0.4 and 0.5 you can write it like this. So 0.5 is greater than 0.4. D part, 108 and 99.9. Clearly 108 is greater than 99.9. Fifth question is, convert into rupee. A part, 5050 paise. We know when you have to convert from paise to rupee, we need to divide it with 100. So divide with 100. So two zeros in the denominator means leaving 2 digits from right, we need to put a decimal here. So the answer is rupee 50.50. Then we have B part, 10 paise. Again divide 10 with 100 to convert it into rupee. So it will be like this, 10 by 100. So it is 0.10 rupee. Sixth question is, express 7 km 4 meter using decimals. Now 7 km plus 45 meter. Convert it this meter into kilometer, divide with 1000. So it is 45 by 1000. So in the decimal notation it will be written like this, 0.045. 3 zeros in the denominator, so 3 digits after the decimal like this. We have to put one more 0. So it is 7 plus 0.045, that is 7.045 kilometer. Seventh question, the length of a string is 125 millimeter. What is its length in centimeter? We know the relation, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 125 millimeter will be 125 divided by 10 centimeter. It means when you want to go from millimeter to centimeter, divide it with 10. So 1 0 in the denominator. So here it will be 1 digit after the decimal. So my answer should be 12.5 centimeter. So the length of string is 12.5 centimeter. Here also we will make the change, 12.5 centimeter. Eighth question is, Ram has bought 500 gram apples, 450 gram grapes and 700 gram lychees. Find the total weight of all the fruits in kg. Now the quantity of apples he has bought is 500 grams. Quantity of grapes is 450 grams and lychees 700 grams. So total weight is addition of all the three. So when you will be adding it, it is 1650 grams. Now we want to convert our answer in kgs. So divide it with 1000. When we want to go from gram to kgs, it means you have to divide with 1000. So it is 1650 divided by 1000. 3 zeros in the denominator, so leave 3 digits from the right hand side. Answer will be 1.650 kgs. Your homework for today is question number 1, write 125 paise as rupees, and question number 2, Renu has 2500 milliliter of water in a tank. She added 1000 ml more into it. Find the total quantity of water in liters. Thank you. Have a nice day.